Now we're going to do remote distance tests. In my first distance test of the Ape Labs remote, I went to a local soccer park and set up 3 Ape Lab Maxis on 3 corners of a soccer field. Here you can clearly see how each light responds as a single group and in separate groups. The furthest distance in this test was 300 feet diagonally for the Ape Labs Ape Light number 2. Again, the user manual states the remote is functional for 100 feet, so Ape Labs' stated remote distances are clearly very conservative. This got me thinking, just how far can these lights be controlled by the remote? So I placed the same 3 Maxis at 2, 4, and 600 feet and set out to answer this question. The first test shows 3 lights connected to group 1 via the remote at measured distances, as I said, of 200, 400, and 600 feet from my position. It worked like a charm. The remote controlled all 3 lights easily. You can see me putting them through their paces here. In the second test, I assigned each Maxi to its own group to test each group's ability to operate independently. And then I synced all 3 groups with a long button press on the remote. After doing this test, I became fairly certain this remote could fully function in just about any venue you threw at it. If your venue is larger than this scenario, you can always use the wireless DMX functionality, and you'll be able to connect to distances of over 3,000 feet between lights. This is because each light has a repeater that rebroadcasts the signal to each successive Ape Labs uplight.